As the St Leonard's College captains, we're hosting a panel on Tuesday, the 29th of August at 7:30 p.m, titled Politics, Why Bother? Engaging Young People in Political Debate. Because we believe that politics isn't just for the government. It's not constrained to Parliament. It's always present in our everyday lives.
It's the little things, like whether you drive or ride your bike to school, and where you shop. So why bother with it? We believe that we as young people should bother with it if we want to influence our world.
Very soon, many of us will have the right to vote. One of the reasons for this event is to discuss the upcoming Voice referendum. This event is an opportunity to gain clarity on a once-in-a-generation election.
Our panelists are all incredibly experienced, not just in the political sector, but also journalism, law, and humanitarian work. They include local federal member Zoe Daniel and our local state member James Newbury, alongside Senator Sarah Henderson, Shadow Minister for Education, Meena Singh, the Commissioner for Aboriginal Children and former Legal Director of the Human Rights Law Centre, as well as Josh Burns, another MP who is the Chair of the Parliamentary Committee for Human Rights.
Tickets are free, but bookings are essential. We hope to see you there.